You know what, I'm totally keen on doing what's best for the baby and for the environment. And it sounds as though cloth nappies cost a lot less, but to be honest, I just don't see how my mother-in-law is going to feel about having to fiddle around with them, or you for that matter.
Okay then, let's take a look at just how easy cloth nappies can be.
Hi, I'm Rebecca from Ecobots Nappies. Come with me and have a look to see how easy it is to use Ecobots. There's three main parts. There's the waterproof cover, which has got double leg gussets on it to make sure everything stays inside. An absorbent nappy, which you'd fold into three. And then the flushable liner. This just makes sure that cleaning up is really easy. Pop the liner onto the nappy and pop the nappy into the cover. Ecobots nappies are the same shape as this disposable and they're really easy to get on. Place the assembled nappy under the baby and then do up the tabs. Don't forget, keep all the nappy and the liner inside the cover to prevent the leaks. The covers can be reused if they're not soiled. Simply air them out and have them ready for the next change. Remember, Ecobots are waterproof and breathable. The unique double gussets make a snug fit around the legs to prevent the leaks. They are also absorbent enough for nighttime use, and flushable liners make for a really easy clean-up.
I could do that.
I've seen you try and iron a shirt.
When?
And you gag every time you stand in dog poo.
Excuse me, at least I can pack a car boot properly.
Okay, true.
Sorry.
No trouble. I was just going to suggest that we take a look at some men changing a baby with cloth nappies for the very first time.
My name's Eric and this is my baby daughter Ava, and this is the first time we're going to try an Ecobots nappy.
My name's Scott Lancaster and this is Piper, and today we're going to try out some Ecobots for the first time.
Okay, so I'm just folding the cloth and I'm using this.
And using some of the cheeky wipes.
I'm just going to put that underneath there.
That's right, honey.
There we go, bring the Velcro around.
On there for a snug fit.
Pull out here the flaps and the nappy.
It's all done. Exactly.
And there we go, Ava's in a Ecobots nappy.
Not very tricky at all. No, it was fantastic. Actually, really, really quick.
That was easy.
Just as quick, if not quicker than a normal diaper. So yeah, no, very cool.
See, I could do that. Even your mum could do that. Well, even my mum could do that.
Well, great, because you'll be the one doing the nappies.